In this video, I'm going to show you guys 5 hidden features about your Dodge Charger you didn't know. If you guys are interested in knowing the 5 hidden features about your Dodge Charger, make sure you stick to the end of the video because there are features at the end that you guys do not want to miss. Stay tuned. So the first feature I'm finna show you guys is if you have a dead key fob, like so, you'll still be able to unlock your car and start it. So I'm about to take the battery out, or in another case, your battery might have died. What you can do now to unlock the door, because the car is locked, as you can see, what you want to do is take the key from out the back of your key fob, like so, and then from there you can put it in there and unlock the door. Your key fob dead. Hidden feature number 2, when you open the door, you'll still be able to start your car with your key. As you guys know, my battery is out my key, as you can see. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna start the car. Alright, so for hidden feature number 2, how I started the car is 1, let me turn the car off for you guys. So with your key fob battery out or dead, all you would have to do is get your key fob and point it onto your push to start. So foot on the brake, point it on, and your car will start without a battery. Alright, so now that the car is on, I'm gonna put the battery back into the key. Alright, so for hidden feature number 4, as you guys know, when you lock your door, it makes a honk. If you go inside the car and you pull up your settings, go down to locks and doors, and then you can turn that honk off with sound horn with lock. So now once I go back outside the car and I want to lock my door, I can lock my door with no sound at all. So that's hidden feature number 4. So hidden feature number 5 and the last feature. So a lot of chargers have this, but a lot of chargers don't know they have it. Once you're in the car and about to drive and all, so this car is a 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. It has the shifter behind the wheel. As you can see, I can move it. Behind your wheel are some buttons right here. As you guys can see, that button right there. Once you click it, alright, so once you click that button, a feature called Secure Park pops up. Now, Secure Park is basically what the police cars come with, so they can leave their car running without anyone coming in and breaking in and stealing it. So as you can see, I have my key with me. I'm gonna turn Secure Park off. So Secure Park is off. With Secure Park off, I can change gears, you know, drive if I wanted to. But with Secure Park on, as you guys can see, you cannot change gears at all. So as you guys can see, foot on the brake and trying to change gears, I can't change gears at all. Also, with Secure Park on and the key fob not in the car, as you guys can see, the key fob is out of the car. So with Secure Park on and the key fob out, you can't turn Secure Park off. See, key fob not detected. Secure Park active. Press the button, it says the same thing. As you guys can see, I press the button, same message. So I still can't shift the car with the key out of the vehicle. But once you get the key, you are able to turn Secure Park off and shift and drive like normal. So if this video did help you guys out, make sure to hit that like button and share this to a friend to help them out as well. Also, if this video is helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any videos like this. But it's MIA Glow, and if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you guys for sticking around, but I'm out.
Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you, or you gon' trip without no evidence.
4 5s and Glocks, nigga.